Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do an unboxing of the Crafter's Companion number 23 Floral Decoupage Gift Kit. So here you can see the front. You're supposed to be able to make 18 cards. There's 275 pieces. And if you've been on my channel any amount of time, you know that I love me some flowers. And I love the tattered lace decoupage flowers. So I was very interested to see the Crafter's Companion ones. Now, on the March 5th, or it was the 3rd, or the 5th, I can't remember which day, they had the craft event, which was, if you have not heard all the buzz about how bad craft day was, But anyway, Crafter's Companion released their decoupage dies. And so I went ahead and purchased those. So if you have not seen those, I'll show you. They came with a pad. They came with a stamp. And then they came with an embossing die set. Okay. So you have the, what is this? Sunflower. You have this bouquet. All right. So there's the stamp. And the die. Now, I did cut these out, and I'll show you that in a minute. Then I had the peony, the stamp and die set. And then you have the classic rose, which this is the die, or the paper pad, the die, the stamp. And so I'll show you that one because I did play with that. So one sheet will create one layered flower. So that's using all the pieces in the decoupage page to create that. But you don't have to use just all that. So what I did was cut out a second page and I layered up part of the pieces. And then I used what would have been on top to create separate pieces. So these two bits are all the one. So I took one, then I made one and split it. Then I stamped it out on some designer paper that I had. So that's what it looks like, stamped and cut. And then I stamped, cut, and layered it. So that's what it looks like in, I just used some like vintagey colors. So you can see that. So you can go from theirs to stamping it and still doing the decoupage layers. Now, obviously when you stamp and color it yourself, you have to do a little bit more work. And so I can demonstrate both of these if you're interested. So I got those during the craft day. Excuse me. And lo and behold, their box 23 was the floral decoupage, which is kind of funny because you would think that this would have been 22 so that everybody would be all into it. But it's okay. They came out at the same time. So let's open it. Open the box. And of course, you get the same thing at the beginning. Sarah. Giving her a little welcome. You get your thank you for the purchase. It'd be nice if this was a coupon in your thing here. And so we'll go through all the things. So every time you pretty much get these little pearls, which I rarely use, you have your ribbons, and you have them in 3 sizes. I do like this green color. So you've got 3 sizes of ribbon there. Let's skip this for a moment. You get, in every kit, you get a selection of card blanks. And this one has 3 different sizes. So your 5x7 is probably your A4. And this looks like a 6x6. And then, of course, it comes with the envelopes to go with it. Here's another tip, though. You can make cards without, you know, a lot of times I'll use their card base, but I didn't use the kit that it came with. So don't forget that you can do that. Okay? Okay. So then, of course, you get some papers. So let's look at these papers. You have your colored cardstock. So this is a nice peach color. I don't know if it's showing up peach or pink, but it's a nice peach. And then this is gorgeous right there. And then you got some shades of purple. There's another one. This is like a mauve-y color. And then you get some green. I will say this, they do have some interesting shades of green in their paper pads. So you've got 3 shades of green, and then they'll give you some white. So that's lovely. You never have too much paper. And actually, I'm just going to leave that out because I have a big old stash of it now. And then, of course, you get some pattern papers. Gotta love it. So we've got this print. You usually get 2 of each pattern. Ooh, and I do love an Argyle pattern. Look at that. And I love the green. Ooh, yes. Some of that. Layered up those roses. This. Ooh, I like that one. And they always make it match, of course, because it is a kit. You got your lilacs. Lilacs always make me think of my grandmother because she had a lilac, a big old lilac bush outside the window in the back. And so it always smelled good. And then she died, and not too long after the bush died, so it was kind of sad. Not too thrilled about that. Ooh, I like this. That's nice. Ooh, the old wood grain. So those are the papers. And I'm just going to pull this out up here because I'm going to throw the box away. Takes up too much space. But the next thing is to show you the decoupage. 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 So first of all, let's look at these stamps. So here, I'll switch to a plain piece of paper for you so you can see it better. So here are the decoupage stamps. So you can see here's the base layer for your lilac. Here's your base layer for your rose. You've got a little layering pieces for this. And then you've got a layering piece for that. So that's interesting. Then you have the stamp set with sentiments. So, if friends for flowers, eyes pick you. It's like every company has this one now. Friends are the family we choose for ourselves. That's cute. And some of these other ones, you're the best, so forth. Kind of hard to read those sentiments like that, but there they are. So that's cute. Now let's go with the next section, which are the dies. Dies, dies, dies. So you can see that they've got them layered. So here is your lilac. You've got your next layer, and then your next layer. You've got a layer up here. Then you have your rose, and this one here. And I'm imagining this is a part of the rose as well. And they have these little tabs here that tell you what the number is. So like layer 1, 2, and 3. I am not so sure why we have circles. Not so sure about that. So, because I don't see anything on here. And then there's some words. Okay. So then they give you a pack of decoupage. So you've got the lilacs, 2, 3, 4 layers, and somebody was talking about how they're all the same color. So you really only get 2 color choices. So you get this all purple. And I don't know how many are in here. It'll say on the box. So you get all these purple ones, and then you get these for the rose. And then, of course, they did just like they did with the other sets. They just made it smaller and gave you stamps so you can recreate it. So here's your stamp. Here's your stamp. And this piece would go there and so forth. So I was like, yay! Very cool. So if you would like to see me demonstrate these, you can let me know and I can put a quick demo together. I can do what it looks like this way. And I can also do a demo of how you do it when you stamp it. Alright, so thanks for watching, and then I will be back with a teeny tiny haul video. Don't forget to like or subscribe, share if you would like, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.